Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today, I am super excited because I have received my package from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. It is such a awesome little shop that she has. She draws all of these images in there. It is super cute. So I am on her PR team. So she sent me quite a few things from her. But also, I ordered probably double of that myself because you will see her stickers are the bomb. So if this is your first time in my channel, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Jojo is very generous and gave me a code to give you guys. It's Kasha15 for 15% off of her things, but let's open the package together. I'm so excited you're here with me. If this is your first time, welcome. If you have been here before, welcome back. Thanks for joining. Thanks for staying with me. So yes, she sent me some instructions as well, which I love. She is beyond organized, you guys. So you will see that her hand drawings are absolutely stunning. So let me show you what they are. So she send this beautiful card, and then let's go ahead and open all of these envelopes. So there's quite a few envelopes. She sends everything in envelopes, which is adorable. So I will tell you what each collection is, and then we'll go from there. If you hear clicking and clacking, I am watching my work puppy. So he's right here with me. He's super excited because I'm excited, so I think it kind of relays. I believe that dogs pick up on our energy. Okay, let's go ahead and start with this though. This is one I purchased. It's called Amsterdam. It is absolutely stunning. So this is the full collection. I love it. It is so beautiful. Let me show you all of them. So you get 8 square sheets, and look at the details. Like, look at the little flowers by the houses. It's stunning. So you get 8 square sheets and 1 rectangle. So that's the full collection. It is beautiful. Look at this. Yes. So pretty. So it is called, like I said, Amsterdam Collection. These are $16 a piece. The whole collection is $16, so very affordable. This will probably make 2 or 3 spreads for me, so very much worth it. And then this one is the monthly calendars. So Jojo sells these kits, and they're monthly. So you have September, it's 2 sheets, and then you have October, but look at these, so pretty. You have October, November. Look at the detail on these. Oh my gosh. And then December. So you get washi, you get boxes, and you get this beautiful large calendar. So if you're doing memory keeping and you want to maybe mark down a date, a special date or something like that, that is a great way to do it. And these are beautiful. So there's that. So that's the second thing. The whole kit is $20 to buy the 4 months, so not horrible. This is called special delivery, or no, maybe Happy Mail. This is Happy Mail. Happy Mail is super cute. It's pink. It is so adorable. Look at this. You have a typewriter with flowers, all of these envelopes, and then she gives you washi. This would be perfect for Valentine's Day, Sweets Day, or Sweetens Day. What is that? I don't know. This would be also perfect for anniversaries or special days. So super, super cute. I love this set. I can't wait to use it. I mean, every single thing that I got from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop is absolutely stunning, so no surprise there. Next thing we're going to open is the little ivory envelope, which is beautiful. And let me show you these because, oh my lord. Okay, so what this is the monthly hexagons and monthly circles. And then this is called Cozy Home. And then tea leaves and book please. So these are mini sets. They're super cute. I think the mini sets are $5.50. They're absolutely stunning. If you have a chance, you can check those out. They're, again, this probably would be one spread for me. So like I said, out of the full set, I do about 2 spreads. And these are cool because you can color them in the tea leaves and books please, or you can leave them as they are. I do prefer black and white spreads here and there, so this will be perfect. And Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop has other kind of book related items that I'll be showing you soon. So here we go. And then let me put this away. So she does redating as well. And then I also got a couple decals. And they're so cute. So these are perfect if you are doing, like if you have a laptop that you want to decorate, or a sleeve or a bag or your planner cover, stuff like that would be perfect. So let me show you what they are because they are adorable. So this is purple mayo, this is teacup, and this is 2 mushrooms. So that's what they're called, and they're super adorable. I love them. And they're beautiful. So I'm going to put my envelopes away and we'll continue because I have a lot more to show you guys. Like I said, I was so blessed. And let me show you this. So this one, Birch Grove, is the collection, and I am beyond obsessed. When I saw it, I was so giddy, and I'm still so giddy. I do have birches in around my house, so obviously kind of personal sentiment. So let me show you what I have in here. So this is called Birch Grove, and it is adorable with the little mushrooms. It kind of like woodland stuff, right? It's very, very cute, and you get that washi set as well. So look how adorable for fall. I can't. I am so, so excited. Okay, so that's called Birch Grove. I highly recommend that one. Okay, little tip, that Birch Grove, she also has little ghosts with it. So if you want to order that set, you can. This one, this little mini set is called Autumn Blush. I mean, rightfully so with those colors, right? But it's absolutely stunning. I am very excited to use that as well. And then the second one is called Autumn Crisp, and it's crispy and blue and very cozy as well. So blue pumpkins, very, very, very cute art. So that is absolutely stunning. Those are, again, mini sets. So I hope you guys will check her out. And if you do, I would appreciate you using my code. Like I said, it's not costing you anything extra. However, it lets Jojo know that you guys are coming from me. So I would appreciate that. This one is called Lavender Days, and it is, oh my lord, so stunning. So stunning. So let me show you. There's lots of like little purple flowers, and I also got a notebook called Before I Can Read. This is just like no adhesive, just a notebook. You can keep it on your desk, take some notes before you transfer them into your planner. But back to the Lavender Days set, it has dark purples and light purples, and it is a full set. So again, 8 square sheets, or squarish, I should say, and then that one rectangle long one. So these are lovely. Look at these. And the teacups, the details on them. If Jojo ever designs teacups, I am buying them, you guys, because look at the design on them. I love it. I love how like simple and elegant they are. So that's called Lavender Days again, and due to the color, beautiful. We have a couple more envelopes to open. I received quite a few items, and like I said, I purchased so many things. So this is a full honeybee collection. This is an older set. A lot of people have used it before. I never had it, so I was extremely excited to have it and finally use it. I don't know if I'm going to be saving it for spring or using it for something else, but I am clearly very obsessed. Look at this. Look at this. And I love honey, so it just helps. And then you also get this sheet with the scalloped washi. The blue, the yellow, the black is such a nice combo. I am a little obsessed. The honeycombs. And again, like I said before, this usually carries me through 2 full spreads. So there's that. That was the honeybee. It's beautiful. Okay, let's open this one. I think I know what it is, but I'm not sure. Oh, yes. This is the... So I have 3. I have... Let's open that one. It's called Floral Book Collection. It is stunning. So stunning. I can't even tell you guys enough how pretty this one is. I mean, look at this bookshelf to start with. It is gorgeous. Let me put this away, make room on my desk, and let's open this. So again, super cute. It goes pretty well with tea leaves and books, please. So if you want to mix those two up and have a huge book collection, you could. So pretty cool. Jojo also has a big sticker, or not even a sticker, a worksheet for sale. It's a digital thing that you can fill in a bookshelf with books. So super stunning. Look at the art on these. Look at the flowers coming out of the books. I am so impressed with all of this art. I truly love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these away because the obsession is real, you guys. Look at the kitty on top. Like her details are incredible. So next one, we have a couple more to go through. I know this is a longer haul video for me and I'm going in detail, but I am so stoked about these spreads and these stickers. So this is called Paris Romance, and it is a full collection. So it is going to be 8 smaller ones and then one big one. Look at them though. Look at these magnolia flowers. I think they're magnolia flowers. The hot air balloons, the buildings. It is, and then you get a whole little street on the rectangle as well. So such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful collection. I am obsessed. Like I said, every single one that I open, I'm like, oh, this is my favorite. And then this is my favorite. And this is my favorite. All of them are my favorite. And I am so, so blessed. Okay, so this one, the little one that I have on top, is called Fall Favorites. And it is a mini set. It's 4 stickers, 4 sticker sheets. It is so cute. It has a little fence with trees, and the colors are stunning. Everything is so beautiful. So there we go. Look at that. I am in love, you guys. So in love with all of these stickers. And again, I feel so fortunate to be able to have all of that. So again, last collection that I have is Halloween, and when I saw this, I squealed, you guys, because look at the laced pumpkins. How elegant is this for Halloween? I don't do scary Halloween, so for me, this was like something completely that I would do. So these are gorgeous, black and white, and then laced, and then even the washi is laced. It is so stunning. So again, if you shop from Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop, please use my code. I would really appreciate this. Let me know down below which stickers were your favorite. I can't decide because all of them are my favorite. But the Halloween is probably the one that impressed me so much. So, well, all of them actually, but that one is on clear sticker. So the rest I think are on paper. Please let me know. Like, look how many envelopes I have. Her packaging is impeccable. She takes so much pride on her packaging. I love it. Like, it is beautiful. And the decals, by the way, are waterproof. They're not dishwasher recommended, but they're great if you're hand washing it. So you can follow her on Instagram. It is Jojo's Pretty Paper Shop. I highly recommend it. Her art is so cute. Her stories are so personable, and you can definitely connect. But I am excited to be able to just PR for her as well. And like I said, these are not just freebies. I purchased quite a bit because I truly, truly love her shop. I was purchasing stuff before. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you guys had fun, and I'll see you soon. Bye.